Today, I have here with me a Graff Ladies Quartz Diamond wristwatch. This watch has a 38mm case with Baguette diamonds and includes an inner diamond and emerald bezel. The case and folding buckle are made of white gold, and the buckle has Baguette diamonds as well. This watch's face is made of scratch-resistant sapphire crystal and has a solid case back with a leather band. This watch is available at an extraordinary price exclusively through Your Watch, so please reach out to me today at 212-888-6602. Thank you.